Here's how to laminate your brows at home using 1000 Hours Brow Lamination Kit. Before starting, please make sure to complete a skin sensitivity test at least 48 hours prior. Allow a minimum of 6 weeks between brow lamination applications, as reapplying sooner may cause breakage. If you plan to tint or dye your brows, this should be done after the lamination process, as the solution may cause hair to lighten. Here's what you'll need to get started: a non-oily makeup remover, cotton pads, water, and disposable gloves if you'd like to use them. Start by removing all makeup from the brow area using a non-oily makeup remover so that your brows are clean and dry before you begin. Brush the brows upward using a spoolie to see their natural shape and direction. Apply a thin layer of Brow Protect over the brows. Use the spoolie to brush the hairs into the direction you want them to set. Make sure the product is spread evenly and that all hairs are covered and shaped into place. Next, apply the perm solution in a thin, even layer. Continue brushing the brows into your desired shape so the hairs set exactly where you want them. For fine brows, processing takes around 5 to 6 minutes, medium brows around 7 to 8, and coarse brows around 9 to 10. Remove the solution gently with a dry cotton pad, wiping in the direction of hair growth. Then, using a clean applicator wand, apply the set solution evenly over the brows. Using a spoolie, comb the hairs upward again to set them in place. Leave this on for 9 minutes, then remove it with a dry cotton pad. Finish by brushing the Nourish Serum through the brows to condition and strengthen the hair. Once you're done, make sure to keep your brows dry and avoid steam, saunas, and swimming for 48 hours, and avoid applying brow makeup for the first 24.